Hey everybody, Colin here from O'Reilly Auto Parts to show you how to change the engine air filter in a 2013 to 2019 Ford Escape. Before I get into that, take a second to subscribe to our channel if you haven't already so you don't miss out on any of our new content. Today, I'll be changing the air filter in this 2019 Ford Escape, and procedures will be similar for this model from 2013 to 2019, but be sure to know the specifics for your vehicle before getting started. If you're not completely comfortable doing this yourself, we'd be happy to recommend a professional technician in your area. Once you've got your supplies together, here's what you'll do. Park on a level surface and open the hood. The air filter housing is on the driver's side of the engine bay and is secured by 4 bolts. Use a ratchet with an 8mm socket and extension to remove the bolts. Lift the lid off the housing. Remove the old filter. Clean any leaves or debris from the inside of the housing. Install your new air filter, making sure it's properly seated. Reinstall the housing lid by sliding its tab into place. Then replace the 4 bolts. Close the hood. And that's it. You'll find everything you need for this and other jobs at your local O'Reilly Auto Parts store or O'ReillyAuto.com. Our DIY videos are designed to help answer questions we get in our stores every day. If you found this one helpful, subscribe to our channel to get all the latest. We'll see you again soon.